Can ChatGPT help us to learn a programming language even as complete beginners? We will figure it out in this video. I will ask ChatGPT if it can give me any idea on how to start programming. It nicely summarizes the process of learning a programming language that begins by choosing a programming language. I will ask ChatGPT for a suggestion of programming language as a beginner. It kept Python as the preferred language, which is actually preferred as the first learning language, because it is easy to learn. So far, ChatGPT has done well. The next step would be to ask how to learn Python on my machine. It is true that Python is pre-installed on macOS. I can check the Python version with the command it provides. But I want to make sure I have all the things necessary to start programming. I will check the version from the terminal with the command it provides. So far so good, all the things are working perfectly. I will ask it to write a script for me, and I want instructions to run it on Mac. I got some instructions, so I will execute those. I will fast forward some of this. If you want to learn to program, try these instructions for ChatGPT, and that will be a good first step for you. If you struggle, comment in this video, and I will try to answer your question. I can run the script by this Python 3 command as ChatGPT instructs. ChatGPT also set an alternative command which has not worked well. As a beginner, this kind of error can be a bit blocker. You can ask ChatGPT about these errors, but I feel it would be difficult for beginners to figure it out. Still, I think ChatGPT has done quite well in instructing how to learn programming as a beginner. What do you feel? If you want to learn programming as a beginner, you can follow the questions I asked ChatGPT. I think it will work for a solid foundation for you.